Hi, buddies. Let's talk about the How to Song workshops that I do online. These workshops are designed for everybody. Anybody who's into music, doesn't matter your skill level or your musical know how. So, if you have no musical skills or no interest in having musical skills, you'll still get something out of this. They're pretty fun. And if you have some musical knowledge, you'll definitely get something out of this as well. So, the main How to Song workshop, we get together with a group of people over Zoom for an hour a week for a month, and each week we go over a different part of the songwriting process. They start differently each time, but like one week we might start with lyric writing, or coming up with a melody, or putting some chords together, or some rhythm, or just making a beat. And then the next week we'll go to a different part. When it comes to lyrics, everybody who wants to contributes. And then on most decision making, it's democratic, and I kind of take a poll with the workshop and we kind of vote. Also important to note that if you just want to be a lurker, I support lurking 100,000%. And the amount of participation that you want to partake in is completely up to you. These are also designed that you can have your camera on, have your camera off, or just text if you want. During the whole workshop, you can see my screen and see me working in GarageBand and building the whole song. And at the end, the song that we made together will be like on Spotify. It'll be on one of my albums. Those workshops are 50 shekels for a month of weekly sessions. And the sessions are about an hour. Sometimes a little less, sometimes a little more. Now, there's a one-off version of this, and the first one is free. And that is, we only focus on lyric writing, and then you watch me record the vocals. And the beat is already there. I have a bunch of pre-made instrumentals ready to have lyrics written to them. These are really fun. I love these because it's usually my first chance to get to meet people who are following me on different platforms, kind of, sort of in person on the internet anyway. And it's a blast. Not always, but usually the songs are just a little silly because, I encourage that stuff. So if that interests you, I try to not let people in to the month-long workshops who haven't done at least one free workshop. So you can go to joeyhelpish.com. Maybe you're already there, and this is redundant, but whatever. You can go to joeyhelpish.com, click on workshops, and then there's a booking link for the free workshops. I hope you have a badass day, and I love you.